And so some people, when they hear the person, they ask. You're saying, what you talk? Okay, actually, they bomb in the country, you know, but Nigeria is the diaspora, that's the outside the country.
Diaspora, yeah.
Most times, people want from here, want go to born for outside country.
Okay.
And the people they waiting for that side, most of when they don't do that side, they don't want to come back house.
Yeah.
They just lock up, say nothing.
Okay.
You know, but some people they say, man, nothing, you not get how.
Now we day here.
You know, now we day here. Even if we come out, we'll come back. You understand? But this palais, this Nigerian palais, the man go, he go US, go doing hustling. Okay. When he come reach US, come born. He born finish. Born 2 correct children. Now the man reason I will say, when I been there in Nigeria, my papa raised me well. When I did Nigeria like this, suffer, give me sense. He give me wisdom. He teach me things. My 2 children, they do, yo man. When I go to Nigeria now, in I know yes, Dad. Then they land Nigeria. So he send them, come back to Nigeria, make their head for ripe.
They reset.
Now they say, come, see the 2 boys. Fine boys like this. But I believe you. Before this boy, they go finish school. They're not going yellow like this again. When Nigeria's son.
First of all, introduction. Oh,
introduction. Once I see introduction, I see they smile up and down. Yes. Fine boys. But I believe. I yellow like this before now.
Really?
Yeah. Inside dream. But actually, I like what the man do. You understand? He send them come back out. Say, no way, when I must come here. The man talk one thing. He say, I strongly believe that because it's been important in my own development. One call was born and raised. Now, can I be the man name? One call born and raised. He was one of 13 children. But I like the fact, say, he send the children come back here to come learn the culture and learn everything about Nigeria. Because for that side, if you all do anyhow, I'll call the cops on you. I'll call the cops on you, Dad. You will die in prison. You're picking.
The cops.
Picking your vest. You enter inside room, lock door. Papa will come for the door. They do. Cynthia, can I come in? Door not lock. Now, get away, Dad. I hate you, Dad. For yeah. Which room you want everywhere?
He go shock you.
In the first place.
If I like your neighbor has to go wrong.
The neighbor has to go. When the neighbor they don't hear that, they beat you. Papa, Julie, don't kill him, don't kill him. But anyway, for a year, the whole community that they train Pekin, not just family. All right. So, how do I feel about the whole thing? So you feel say family is supposed to bring their children come back this side to come, raise them and teach them our culture, or when they all remain for that side and learn the culture of other countries. How you feel about them? Go Twitter at W8 Night Show. Reach there. Give us your own gist, all right? So, Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Okay. Coco number 2.
Bang on.
Now, you got to take boy for some kind of family. They do anyhow money.
Yeah.
And see, it pain me personally. When I see some children, they do anyhow. Usually, I go lucky face waiting. I see like 3 children. They carry one Chevrolet.
All right.
They drive up and down anyhow.
All right.
Next children don't come. Slap in ear. Go to your house. I see one small boy. Go buy a burger. Carry G-Wagon. Mommy, they watch this thing. Wait. Now, this millionaire son, apparently, the board don't really say on top of their Ferrari where they get.
Okay.
150,000 pounds Ferrari. 150,000 pounds.
Go there.
The boy reason and say, okay, say insurance don't top the motor. So I feel just go carry my papa motor. Just carry my papa motor now, just reach one place, just form, some guys came to raid me and then they burnt the car. You understand? 19 form. So okay, so based on the insurance we don't top the motor, they feel you arrange another new Ferrari we did now. Just because he don't form, say, because of insurance we don't. That guy carry it, arrange 3 other guys, and they go park Ferrari in one place, enter good like say one barb hair. Now those ones they come, scatter motor come, burn and fire. On a good day, insurance company supposed to come say, okay, based on insurance, so more carry another motor give you. He shock him. When they carry they go court, when court can realize how much the papa they pay him as monthly salary. But they pay this small boy 6,500 pounds monthly.
6,500 pounds.
And the small Leo still get other motor them. But just because of long throat for Ferrari, see the Ferrari, that's where it's born Ferrari. Born out to ashes. Now the court tell us, say, oh, but you go sleep for prison.
No, you ain't go there.
You want dupe us, Abi, plus insurance company.
You will die there.
You will die there. You want to collect Ferrari kill you. Eh? Oui. But anyway, they throw the boy side there and they don't give us say the judge sentenced him to 22 months probation. 22 months. And they say now with so kind of big money join the whole team. Make I don't even mention that. But actually, all these rich men children, easy beat. You don't ever regret for your life before say no be rich man born you. Your papa they watch?
No, in the one.
Okay, so finally, cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right, okay. Some good people see that this country, this world rather, because maybe some not be Nigeria, it happen in Germany. Cannot show any Nigerian pikin where they think the way Nigerian children they think go fit do this thing, when this girl do. This girl they go do am. Okay, maybe. She dey swim for river.
Okay.
For inside Germany, there is form breaststroke. Which one be breaststroke again?
Backstroke.
This is not backstroke. Okay, now breaststroke be this. You understand? What you hear your mind going, you hear breaststroke.
No, not be they talk.
Is
no, you're just now.
You be stupid boy. You look like
that's what I do just now.
they hear breaststroke. You said that like this.
Oh God.
Anyway, you get a swim for a river. As when she did a swim, she just realized, say, I want to shine under the water. Now she can't enter inside, go to swim under, can't go see the thing. And she carry and come out. My brother, notice this girl carry come out. You know, say all these old gold, they come in bars. You understand? You'll be like long iron like this. Gold. Now they get see for inside. Oh my God, carry this and go give police. Hi.
Ode.
It's come up for your mouth, Abi.
Ode.
You know when you go Ode. The guy can go give police. So police now is okay. They find the original owner based on some kind of serial number things where they don't wash. And one thing. Easy beat. I put it to you. Will you return this year or nay?
If I years
Now make me talk the original thing when I start. See, I'm not sure say any Nigeria Peking in the rightful Nigerian sense.
For inside water.
Inside water, who get her?
Old one, not even new one.
Old one, no. I can't go to give who's police. You know the police when you give for a year, when you don't give. You don't go be police again. In life change. What are you talking about?
You go buy the entire station.
You go buy the police stations there, buy estate. Okay, what's wrong with you? So, but actually, if now you're in this position, you see, this reminds me now of that woman where they see for airports.
For airport, wasting money.
Wasting money. She I meet that woman one day. She can't even come on that church where I can't still go. The woman come that church, come to talk of the testimony. Say, I just walk into the toilet in the airport and I see 11 million. I return it back. The whole church do, yeah. Church. Everybody shout. Yeah. So women they are just cheer. Hey, hold on, she. What church? Pastor self shock say, my members.
No, yeah.
Anyway, if now you see this kind of thing for inside water, or you see that kind of money somewhere, you go return them yes or no. Tell us for Twitter at WLateNightShow. Give us your own and we'll go know how far, right? So quickly, we'll carry our first guest. Come inside the building after this break. Feefab will join me on top of the show, all right?